all these colors. Your girl gonna have a rainbow. Hello, welcome back to the video brought to you by the one and only Simone Nicole TV. That's on what?
Period.
Period poo. So if you're new to my channel, hi. I do videos on my locks, travel vlogs, luxury fashion, reviews, unboxings, and health. So if you're interested in those videos, please make sure you subscribe. Make sure you subscribe and hit the bell, that way you are notified when I upload new videos. So in this video today, I'll be sharing with you guys my Amazon athleisure picks of the month. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna be doing this every month or not, but I am definitely in need. I'm in need of athletic wear, leisure wear, because my weight fluctuates a lot, you know, and it's not just because I enjoy eating, but it just fluctuates to the point where I need to upgrade or update my outerwear for the gym. Some of us like to be very cute inside the house, you know, when you're walking around your apartment, your home, wherever you are living, you know, it feels nice to wake up and put on something that's comfortable but also cute. You know, it kind of brightens up your day a little bit. For some people, some of us really enjoy looking cute, you know, that does amplify the positivity sometimes that's going on within us and throughout our day. So for me personally, I want to start wearing more of, you know, cute athleisure clothing. I believe it's athletic and leisure clothing mixed into one. So you could use it for either or, going to the gym, working out, running, weightlifting, or if you're just chilling, Netflix and chill, or running errands, you can use it interchangeably. But personally, based on the items, we'll see how that goes. I want to say I only spent like under $30 for all the items, only because 3 of the items were shipped together and they came a whole day late. And I don't know if you know, but when Amazon, I have Amazon Prime, I don't know if that makes a difference, but when Amazon orders are late, you can go to the Amazon help chat line and discuss, you know, the item being late and tell them that you would like a refund, but you also still want your items. And yeah, I learned that through TikTok. My boyfriend sent that to me through TikTok, and I was like, I never knew about that. And I don't know if my items have ever been late in the past, so it's really interesting how when he sent me that, the same month it happened. So I was like, let me see if this really works, because in the comments on TikTok, some people were saying they don't, some people say they did, some people say you have to return your items. But personally, from my experience, I was able to get my refund 100%, put back onto my debit card that I used, and I was able to keep the clothing. So the first item, I'll be also showing you guys how the items look right here. I'll be posting a video of how they look on me. So it's kind of like a try on haul video type of style. So the first item I purchased was the V-neck rosy in a size medium. And this one fit very, very nice. So let's start with the bottoms. The bottoms are ribbed material. It's super thick, y'all. Do y'all see how thick this is? See how stretchy it is? I love these shorts. I love these. They're not see-through. The seams are very nice. You can only see the seams only in the inside, so this is the main seam right here. But it kind of looks cute because it kind of goes with the design of the fit. It also, let's see, it's ribbed. It also has a thick band for the waist, for the high-waisted part. So yeah, it's super nice. I really, really like these shorts. They're super cute. I haven't exercised with them, but I did run errands with them. I spent the day with them running errands, and I didn't have issues with them rolling down or rolling up. And I have pretty thick thighs, so this is definitely go-to. And these two were purchased together. They're a set. The price for it, I'll put the price on the screen for you guys as well. And then the top. So I really like that the top is a racer back. I'm a racer back kind of person. I prefer that. It's just more comfortable for me. And to me, a racer back looks really nice. If you really work out your back, or if your back is very toned or naturally and slim, I feel like it enhances that even more. Like, it just looks good. Better than a regular strap back with the 2 on each side. But yeah, it's a racer back. And it has a very deep V in the front, of course, hence the name. So I wear a D cup, double D cup, I want to say. For the most part, they were covered, but it was definitely giving a lot of cleavage. So personally for me, I don't know if I would wear this set to the gym because I would be risking a lot of spillage. It depends on what kind of workout I'm doing. If I'm running, probably not. But like if I'm moving a lot, I would have to definitely wear a sports bra underneath this. Definitely. I really love that it's padded, so you can take the pads out as well. The next item I have is the women's workout 2-piece high-waisted bodycon yoga leggings and sleeveless crop top gym clothes set tracksuit. That was a mouthful. So let's start with the bottoms. So with the bottom, honey, the bottom, these are like basically supposed to be giving Skims based on the reviews. This is supposed to be like the Skims dupe. I've never purchased anything from Skims, but I don't think I'm a fan of this boxer brief blueprint. I'm not a fan of that look. I don't like the way it looks, to be honest. I mean, to me, I don't think I would wear Skims outside the house. I don't know if it's meant for that, but I know the girls are doing that. So this to me feels like I should definitely only wear this indoors, which I'm fine with that. Like I said, some of these items are for indoors or can be used for outdoors. It can be used for either or. But I love how stretchy it is. It feels very comfortable. Like the material feels nice. It doesn't look the best in my opinion. It's a rib material, just like I forgot to mention, just like the pink item was rib, but that is like a thicker rib, like suck you up rib. This is more of a lay on your skin rib. And then the top, honey. I don't know who I thought I was when I purchased this, but it's covering the girls. But if you want to give sexy in the house, if you're trying to give sexy walking around, you know, Sex in the City, this is the type of set. But like I said, for the big booby girls, I feel like this would be more I feel like flattering on girls who may be a B, C cup. But I did get it in a size, what size did I get it in? I got mine in a size large, I believe. Yeah, I got it in a size large. So imagine if I would've got an extra large. If I got an extra large, the band around the waist definitely wouldn't fit the way I needed to. If I would've got a small or a medium, I don't know if this would have gotten smaller. That's what I don't know. It could have fit better, I don't know. But I'm not complaining, because like I said, this ended up being free with the refund. The color, the next color, and the same thing is it's just pink in a large. So I got them both in large, which I'm glad I got the large because like I said, the bottoms fit perfectly for me. I'm just not a fan of the Skims design, I guess, but I'll definitely wear it indoors or wear it with a big t-shirt. But the top is just the same as well because it's the same exact. I don't know if I mentioned it, but the back does have adjustable straps, so that's nice. I was surprised because I didn't realize that. I thought it was gonna be like one of those just pull over and one size fits all type of thing, but you can adjust it, and I really like that. But yeah, I want to say this pink is more of a see-through as well. The purple wasn't as see-through, but with this, honey, yeah, I would just wear this in the house personally for me because I had a lot of spillage in this one. I don't know if I'm gonna post the top for y'all. We'll see how bad it looks. But it didn't look terrible. Like I said, it's just for me, my comfort zone. I don't want to go out unless I'm going. The only reason why I would wear a top with so much cleavage and spillage is if I'm going to somebody's club or I'm going to somebody's beach or pool party. But other than that, even that, like sometimes it just, to me, it's just all about your typical or your taste. It's about your taste and what you think looks good on your body and what you're comfortable with. But for me, I don't think I would be wearing this outside the house. This would be more of it inside the house fit. You know, be cute with my man, be cute with myself. And then these next two items were my favorite purchases, and I'm definitely gonna purchase more from this seller. So this is giving the scrunch booty, honey. Oh, let me tell y'all the details, my bad. I'm gonna start with the top. The top is the Tasada V-neck sports bra for women's, wire-free padded yoga bra, running workout aesthetic crop tank top. This is how it looks. To me, this is perfect. This is so perfect. This is the perfect top. it feels so nice. The material feels so nice. The back detail is so cute, you know, and it's definitely a crop, but it's not one of those crops that are like loose or too tight. And the size that I got mine in was a medium. I got mine in a medium. And again, we love that it's padded, and I love that the pads are also removable. Personally for me, I could wear it without a sports bra, but I would prefer to wear this with a sports bra at the gym, because like I said, people who have bigger boobs, you guys know, they're not going to stay in place. They're going to be moving around, and a sports bra, I need the support. I need the support when at the gym because your girl be moving. I be moving around. I don't be just walking on incline. I be moving around. I be throwing tires. I'm just kidding. I would, but moving on. Love this so much. I'll purchase more in different colors, definitely. It just fits so nice. Last but not least is women high-waisted seamless legging smile contour workout gym yoga pants tights. And this one gives the scrunch booty. It's the scrunch booty. And I've never tried anything on like this before, y'all. The scrunch booty, it feels like somebody is literally lifting up your cheeks, like holding your cheeks up for you as you're walking around. And it just feels very good. It feels so nice. It's very tall girl friendly. I'm 5'7", and I had extra material at the bottom of my ankle. It also has the contour, like I mentioned before, the contour on the pants and the high-waisted thick band. So yeah, I'll definitely be purchasing more of these. These feel so comfortable. I got this in a medium, but I will definitely be getting it in a large next time because it did feel tight. Like my booty was able to breathe. And normally when the clothing, or normally when I buy leggings that feel tight, they feel tight on my butt and they smush my butt in more than it is. So with the scrunch booty, everything else felt tight except for the booty part, which was nice because I've never experienced that before. And I know they were too tight because your girl had to shimmy them up. The camera cut off. They said it was overheating. Oh, I was saying, you know how Beyonce was saying, if you don't jump to put jeans on, you don't feel my pain? Yes, this is in a medium. I should have got a large because it's so tight on my leg. And it's so tight that I ripped a hole in it already. I haven't even worn it to the gym yet. Where's the hole at? It's right here. I don't want to stretch it too bad, but can y'all see the hole? Here's the hole. It's teeny tiny, but you know it could bust wide open at any moment. But yeah, I really love the scrunch booty. I've heard about it, but girl, I never bought it, and I just never thought to buy it. But I love how it feels. It just feels like my booty is sitting on a shelf, like my booty is being lifted up, like if someone's holding it in their hands. Like, I don't know. It feels like, you know, you're walking and your booty's just being held. Like it's not being smushed, pressed up against your body. That's how it feels with other leggings. It feels like your booty's just being restricted. But with the scrunch booty, your booty's just laying there. It's just laying there comfortably. But yeah, I'll be getting more of these, but in a large because my legs, I got thick girl legs. So yeah. You see all these colors? Your girl finna have a rainbow. I'm finna have a rainbow in my gym closet. My gym portion of my closet finna be a rainbow. This is just so cute to me. Look at these colors. I'm gonna get some more. Y'all can see me. And I bought these so you wouldn't have to. So you're welcome. That is the end of my video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know if you have any questions. Comment down below your thoughts. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.